Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition online lesson on SEMrush's SEO Quake tool. Students tell us that they wish Google would provide them with more information than you typically see when performing a search. Fortunately, there's a tool for that. It's called SEO Quake, and it's a plugin available for most web browsers. There are three types of information that the tool gives us. Page, the page parameters related to a particular URL. Domain, the domain parameters determined for the domain of a current URL. Backlinks, the metrics providing information about links leading to a current page or domain. Let's see how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the bottom left of the SEMrush dashboard and click the SEO Quake for your browser link. SEO Quake works with the major browsers, including Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and iPhone or iPad. On the SEO Quake page, just click the orange button labeled Install SEO Quake. Click the install link once it shows up. Now that you've installed the plugin, let's see how it works. Head to google.com and type in a query. We'll try Domino's Pizza again. We see on the search engine results page that on the top left we can enable or disable the SEO Quake data from being shown. Underneath the query keyword at the top, we see the keyword difficulty for this keyword. Underneath each result, we can see quite a lot of data, including domain score and trust score, if we connect our SEMrush account. Even if we don't connect our SEMrush account, we can still see useful data related to backlinks, rankings from different search engines, age of the site, and who is in source data. SEO Quake really adds a new dimension to your searches. Now type in domino's.com into the URL bar of your browser. At the top, you'll see the web domain now features an SEO bar, which shows Google index, number of SEMrush backlinks, subdomain backlinks, Bing index, the number of indexed pages examined by Bing for the given domain. Alexa rank, a ranking of the websites arrayed by ascending score measured in millions. It is regarded as more sensitive than the indicator for PageRank, so the lower your Alexa score, the better. Web archive age, the first date for when archive.org discovered and queried the page. Number of Facebook likes for that page. And you can click more data to see additional information available on that domain. Click on the settings gear in the top right corner and you can configure which information is displayed. Click the info icon now and you get lots of additional information, including page information, page SEO audit data, internal and external linking data, and keyword density. You can even compare this page with others by clicking the Compare URLs Domains tab. So thanks for checking out the SEO Quake tool. We bet you'll install it and find it useful. See you in the next video.